Hey Twinkl parents, today we're creating a touch of autumn magic by making nature wands. Start by making your wand base. I've used card and drawn a star shape, then cut it out. Then added glue to one side of the star. You then need to cut up different leaves that have fallen from the trees. I found these on our autumn walk. Once the leaves are dried onto the star, you then need to turn them over and tape sticks to the back to make your handles. And there you have it, simple and easy magic wands. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Twinkl Parents channel for more great content, and I'll see you next time.